Intensity sanibonani. Intensity iyona topic esizofunda ngayo le, and le lesson le izoba conducted in isiZulu. So igama, umenzi, isibongo, upapase, and please enjoy. Masikhuluma nge-intensity ngizocela nje ucabange nje just the brightness, okay? So every time angikhuluma nge-intensity zube la ngikhuluma nge-brightness, okay? So and every time angikhuluma ngo-brightness zube ngikhuluma nge-power, okay? So lento izohamba kanjani-ke? Izohamba kanje. Every time i-intensity i-increase, lokhu kuqonda ukuthi even now brightness uya increase, okay? And every time mak increase brightness, even nayo power kusho ukuthi izobe increasile. Lento ngamanye amazwi ngitshela ukuthi i-intensity, u-brightness ne-power into eyodwa. And kule video le sizo explaina ke manje ukuthi i-intensity i-affecta kanjani indaba yama electrons when it comes to photoelectric effect. Okay, so maybe asiyibuke lento. Okay, let's say we have a metal here. Okay, so this is my metal. Okay, and this is the same metal. Okay, so let's say this metal has electrons, of course. Even this one has electrons. Okay, let's say from these two metals sikhanyisa a red light. Okay, so sikhanyisa red light la, sikhanyisa red light. Okay, nangalana it's still a red light. Okay, so ngoba kungo red light labo bobabili kuqonda ukuthi i-frequency yala iyafana ne-frequency yala. Okay, however kulaba red light laba, let's say the power here is 20 watts. Okay, let's say maybe kule case ku diagram number 2, so let's say this is diagram number 1. So let's say ku diagram number 2 the power is 100 watts. So you can tell njengamanje ukuthi lo red ono 100 watts yiwona ozokhanya kakhulu. Okay, yiwona ozokhanya kakhulu kuno 20 watts. Okay, so lokhu kuqonda ukuthi maybe let's say from this metal ka number 1 sikwazi uku-emitter only 2 electrons per second. Okay, so lana ama electrons eswa emitter per second awu 2 ngoba ku 20 watts. Kodwa mase ku 100 watts kuqonda ukuthi kukhanya kakhulu. Now in this case ke manje angeke sisa emitter ama electrons awu 2, maybe so emitter 5 electrons per second. Okay, so othi ngobhale lama electrons awu 5. Okay, so 5 electrons per second. Okay, however if the kinetic energy for lama electrons awu 2 ilingana no 5 joules, even nala kulama electrons, because I'm using the same light, okay, it's red, the frequency is the same. Lokho kuqonda ukuthi even nalaba bazoba ne kinetic energy ezoba u5 joules. Okay, so lento iqonda ukuthini ke le? Iqonda ukuthi think about it, the intensity is not the same. Here it's 20, here it's 100. Okay, so every time maku increase intensity, okay, this is point number 1. My increase intensity, then ke ngoku lokhu kuzo increase the number of emitted electrons. Okay, however the speed, or maybe we can say the kinetic energy yalama electrons la will be the same or will not be affected. Will, okay, let's say will remain the same. Okay, so always must increase intensity, the number of electrons esiwakhiqizayo iya increase nayo, kodwa the speed of electrons, for example ku diagram number 1 and number 2, the speed of electrons or the kinetic energy iyafana. Okay, now let's say ku diagram number 2 sesishintsha izinto njengamanje. Okay, instead of using a blue light, I mean red light, let us use blue light with the same brightness. Okay, so njengamanje there is a blue light here, and kulo blue light lo the power is the same. Okay, however ngoba sengishintsha manje ukhala, lokhu kuqonda ukuthi ne frequency iyashintsha, meaning if frequency eku diagram number 1, which is this one, will be less than a frequency ezoba ku diagram number 2, which is that one diagram. Okay, because we know ukuthi as you move from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, as you move to the right, the frequency is increasing. So thina esikulindele ukuthi ublue ube ne frequency enkulu compared to ured. Okay, so ngamanye amazwi lana si increase I frequency. Okay, so now every time mag increase the frequency. Okay, so nayo into esizoyi observe ke manje. So mag increase the frequency, point number 1. Okay, the electrons on this side, maybe let's say sizo emitter 2 electrons. Okay, but let's say these electrons are moving with 5 joules of kinetic energy. Even nangalana soqhubeka si emit the same number of electrons per second. Okay, azoqhubeka kube u2 electrons, but in this case njengamanje the kinetic energy will not be the same, meaning the kinetic energy yangala, because the frequency sinkulu kuzomele ne energy yama electrons benkulu, so meaning njengamanje it can be 10 joules. Okay, so however you can see ukuthi the electrons inumber yawo esiwakhiqizayo iyafana, kodwa i-energy ayifani. Lokhu kwenzeka uma i-frequency isishintshile. Okay, so wena okuzomela ukubamba ukuthi every time, okay, so every time, okay, if we increase a frequency, okay, so lokhu kuqonda ukuthi even the kinetic energy will increase. Okay, so ndikuveza lalo increase loyo. But point number 3, the number, okay, of emitted electrons will remain the same. Okay, so must affect frequency, ku affecteka kinetic energy, must affect intensity, ku affecteka the number of electrons. Of course, if bese decrease intensity, kusho ukuthi the number of electrons emitted ibizo decrease. Even nalana if bekuthiwa say decrease I frequency, even the speed or the kinetic energy will also decrease. Okay, ladies and gents, ngiyathemba ukuthi nizo benefit from this lesson. Thank you so much for watching it.